Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are here with another video of polynomials in algebra. So we are going to multiply two polynomials expressions together to get a final answer. So what is this? That m square plus mn plus n square is multiplied with the second expression of m square plus n, which is also a polynomial. So first of all, each and every term of this first expression will be multiplied with the second operation, with the whole second operation. So m square will be multiplied with m square plus n, and plus mn multiplied with m square plus n. N square will be multiplied with the m square plus n. So each and every term, as you can see, that m square is multiplied with this whole expression, then mn is multiplied with the m square plus n expression, and n square is multiplied with the this second whole expression. Okay. So we will multiply m square with m square. So bases are same, we can just add the powers. Plus m square and n, these are two different variables, so we'll just write it as it is. Plus n will be multiplied with the m square. So here m is in common between these two terms. So what we'll do, that m has a power of 1, so 1 plus 2, and n will come as it is. Now mn will be multiplied with n, so here n is common. So what we can do, that n has a power of 1 and here also power of 1, so m 1 plus 1. N square will be multiplied with the m square, here also different variables, so we can just write as it is. N square with the n, so n power 2 will be added with the n power 1, so 2 plus 1. M power 4 plus m square n plus m 3n plus m n 2 plus n square m square plus n cube. So this is our final answer of this question. Here we are having our second question, which is a power 4 minus a power square plus 1, and it is multiplied with the a power 4 plus a power square minus 1. So here also same we will do like we did in question number 1. So each and every term will be multiplied with this whole expression. So a4 will be multiplied with the a power 4 plus a square minus 1, and minus a square, because here minus is coming, so we will write over here also minus a square will be multiplied with the a power 4 plus a square minus 1, and then 1 will be multiplied with the a 4 plus a square minus 1. So a power 4 and a power 4 is 4 plus 4 plus a power 4 and a power square. So what we will do over here, a 4 plus 2 minus a power 4 minus a power 2 plus 4, and plus minus will be minus. So a 2 plus 2 minus will be plus. So a square will be multiplied with 1, so it will come a square. Plus 1 will be multiplied with a4, so it will come a4, and this whole expression will come as it is because it is multiplied with the 1. When you multiply anything with the 1, it will always come that thing. Means that if you will multiply 2 with the 1, so it will come 2. If you are multiplying a with the 1, so it will come a. If you are multiplying this whole expression with the 1, so it will come as it is. Like this. A 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 plus 2 is 6, minus a4 minus a6 minus a4, and plus a square plus a4 plus a square minus 1. So here what we will do is we can see that here is coming minus a4. We will search for the terms which are similar, and one should be with the plus sign and the other one should be in the minus sign, because when this will happen, we can just cancel both the terms. So here it is minus a power 4, and here also is plus a power 4. Minus a power 4 and plus a power 4, so we can just cancel them out. And here a power 6 and we are having minus a power 6. So we can just cancel them out. Plus minus. And the terms are same. A power 6 and a power 6 with the signs of plus and minus. So we can just cancel them out. And now there is nothing that we can cancel out. So we'll just write the answer. A power 8 minus a4 and plus a square and plus a square minus 1. So these both terms will be added. And a square plus a square will become 2a square because this is 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. 1 and 1 makes 2. So a power 8 minus a4 plus 2a square minus 1 will be the answer of this question.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.